uh, Indian land was taken by China between 1958 and 1962. Some of it was before 58 also. So when you keep saying land taken by China, please understand this land was lost in 1962. I see efforts made to mislead the country. I give you 3 examples. Example 1, people are saying Chinese are building villages on the border. Where is the village built? It is built in a place called Longju, which the Chinese attacked and occupied in 1959. There's a statement of Nehru. So if you look at the Google map, please look at that village and triangulate it with what Nehru said to the parliament in 1959. Then Rahul Gandhi and the Congress talk about a bridge in Pangong Tso in Ladakh. This bridge is being built at a place where the Chinese came in 1958 and then retook in 1962. Recently, I just saw Congress spokesman saying, the Chinese have built a road in Shaksgam Valley and this has great concerns for Siachen. Possibly it has concerns for Siachen. When was Shaksgam Valley occupied by whom? Shaksgam Valley was allowed by Nehru to be part of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and Pakistanis handed it over to China in 1963. So the Congress party is holding Modi responsible for Nehru's actions in 1949 and for Bhutto's actions in 1963. But apparently they have no culpability. So I think we need to get the China issue right. Yes, there is a challenge from China. Yes, China has violated agreements and sent large number of troops to the border. But I think country should take pride in the fact, despite the COVID, we counter-deployed, we have sent troops in record numbers to the border. Those troops today at great heights, in great cold, in very tough conditions are holding their own. Country should be supporting the military. Country should not be running down the military. So, when I hear a Rahul Gandhi say, "Hamare jawanon ki pitai hui in Yangtze, in Arunachal Pradesh," when actually we push back the Chinese. So you talk of pitai of your jawans. You have Revant Reddy questioning Balakot mein pata nahi hua, nahi hua. This running down your people, your system, your forces, this is a very, very sad thing. And I think a lot of the country is very unhappy about it. Maybe stronger words than that.